Hi creatives, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Creative Light. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are welcomed. In today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to draft a basic sleeve, right? If this is something you're interested in, keep on watching. This video is for you. To get a cap height, you divide your bust measurement by 12, then add 1 inch to it. Right, whatsoever your bust is, you divide it by 12, add 1 inch to it. That is your cap height. So my cap height is 3.9, but I approximated it to 4 inches, right? So from that top, I'm going to mark 4 inches, right? Then I'll connect the points. The next measurement to take is your elbow measurement. Shoulder to elbow. My shoulder to elbow is 13 inches. I marked it. After the elbow measurement is the wrist measurement, shoulder to your wrist. So whatsoever your shoulder to wrist measurement is, you mark it. Mine is 23 inches, so I marked it there. This is a long sleeve pattern, right? I labeled it wrist, elbow, and cap height. Right, then to get the armhole depth, right, with the armhole depth we use for our normal bodies, that is bust divided by 6 plus 1.5 is the same armhole depth you're going to put on that cap height. I hope you understand me. So whatsoever your own measurement is, that is what you're going to put. Mine is 7.25, so I marked it there. Then my round elbow, you're going to divide your round elbow by 2. Whatsoever your round elbow is, you're going to divide it by 2. Your round wrist also, you're going to divide it by 2. Then you mark it. Then you connect the wrist to the elbow to the cap height. Right. The next thing to do, you're going to connect the starting point, draw a diagonal line from that cap height to the beginning of the paper. Then you get the midpoint of that diagonal line, right? Then you use your curve from that starting point. You're just going to connect it to that midpoint, right? Then you turn it the other side, then connect it to the cap height. Just blend there a little, and that's it. Basically, the sleeve is ready. This is a basic sleeve, is ready. So if you want a short sleeve, you can just measure from 7 to 8 inches or 6 inches as your short sleeve, right? Go ahead and cut it out. And this is the sleeve. All right, if you found this video useful, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. Also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you.